Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Fear of God 1 by Nike in collaboration with Fear of God. It comes in a peachy orange and white Nike Live slide out box with a glossy Nike branding at the top. Open up the box to get the shoes in a white wrapping paper with subtle Fear of God branding all over it in a light grey. What's nice is the shoe comes with an extra set of off-white stretchy rope-like laces that match the midsole. Although I love the box design and the extra set of laces, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Air Fear of God 1 Air Strap by Nike in collaboration with Jerry Lorenzo's premium lifestyle brand Fear of God. I'll be honest, I've been pretty disappointed with the Fear of God collaboration with Nike so far. The Fear of God ones seemed very impractical, they were hard to put on, they were heavy and pretty expensive at £300. The Skylons were more affordable at £105 I think, but to me they just felt a little bit cheap and low quality for a Fear of God collab. However, this design is amazing. It's inspired by the 90s Air Raid with that cross strap design, this time opting for a chocker mid construction with a black leather swoosh that sits on both sides of the mid panel. I managed to pick up the black pair from Offspring and I love the simple all black design combined with the slightly darker bone midsole. I like the sleep shape with the circular stitching details at the toe. Nike opted for a padded nylon toe box and tongue which feels nice and soft. Although it's synthetic, it has a nice fine grained Nubuck luxury feel. I love the minimal branding with the Nike Air embossed at the heel as well as the midsole saying Air 180 referencing the encased 180 air cushioning that sits at the heel unit as well as Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather's service number. The icy blue encased heel unit adds a nice pop compared to the square traction outsole design. Although the shoe comes with Fear of God branded lace locks, I prefer to rock these without them. To me they just feel more comfortable and improves lockdown. I like the upside down Fear of God patch behind the tongue which takes a nod to the Air Jordan 4. What I most like about this, which I can't believe I'm saying, is the £150 price point. I know it's still a little bit expensive, but I feel like the premium materials, full zoom air cushioning compared with max air at the heel with a well padded premium feeling upper, justify that high price. Especially when the Fear of God footwear starts around £500 plus on average. Yes, one of my pairs had a little bit of stitching defects, but I was able to sort that out by doing an exchange, so it's all good. I think these look great on feet and it's really easy to style. You can dress it up as well as be nice and casual with relaxed baggy pants as well as some slim fit jeans. Apologies for the break, I've been working a lot, picking up a lot of side gigs to save up some money for my new MacBook Pro. I'm hoping to improve my workflow and really focus on improving the quality of my videos. Anyway, let me know if you guys managed to pick up the Air Fear of God 1 raids. If you're on the fence of these, I'll definitely say if you can find these for close to retail while they're still quite cheap, don't sleep, pick them up, give them a try, and if you don't like them, I'm sure you can always sell them on. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment raid to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all of the links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.